Hello everyone. Welcome to your IELTS preparation class. Today we'll be talking about the reading section. And we'll just do a quick overview. So the reading section has 3 reading passages, and they are 2,200 to 2,750 words total in those 3 passages. There are 40 questions, and they're worth 40 points. You have 60 minutes, and you'll have to time yourself. With 3 reading passages, that means 20 minutes per reading. And that's for your reading time and answering the questions. There are several different question types, but in general, these are the basic categories. There are multiple choice questions, completion, or a kind of fill-in-the-blank questions, matching, and yes, no, or not given. Your multiple choice questions, those are the ones where we just choose A, B, C, or D from a list of options. These questions usually ask about the main idea, the purpose of writing the article, specific details about the article, or sometimes about the writer's view. And here's an example of some multiple choice questions. So we've got part of a sentence here. We have to complete it by choosing one of these choices. You'll find practice questions like this in the course, and you may come across these in your first IELTS reading section practice test. The second type of questions are completion questions. These you need to fill in the blank with a word or words from the text or from a list. There are different types of completion exercises. Sometimes it's a summary of the article with some different blanks throughout. Sometimes it's just one sentence with a blank in it. It might be a diagram or a table with some blanks as well. So here's an example of a summary. And we can see as we move through the article, we've got 5 different blanks there. Be careful when you do these for the instructions. This one says choose no more than 2 words from the passage. So that means 1 is okay, 2 is okay, but 3 is not okay. So you need to use 1 or 2 words in each of these blanks. Here's an example of a table with some blanks that you need to fill in. And again, they give us the instructions here, no more than 2 words. 1 word is okay, 2 words is okay, 3 words, not okay. And make sure it's from the passage, something that is in your reading. There are some matching questions. In this, you match some information. You might match headings with a paragraph, or match a beginning of a sentence with the ending of the sentence. So here's an example. We have a list of headings, and we have different sections of this article, and it asks us to match with section A, what is the best heading for this section and for section B, C, D. Here's another kind of matching. We've got some people's names here, and then a list of statements. What did these people do, or what did these people say? You have to match these statements with the person. Finally, there are yes, no, or not given questions. Sometimes they are true, false, or not given, but essentially these are the same type of question. And it looks something like this. So for each of these sentences here, we have to choose yes if the statement agrees with the views of the writer, no if it contradicts, if it's the opposite of what the writer says. And some of them, it's not given. It's actually not in that text. So that makes it a little bit more difficult than a traditional true-false question. The answer might not be there. And those are the four basic types of questions. You will find examples of those in your practice materials throughout this course. And some of those you'll see on your first practice test. All right, so let's get started. Good luck.